was telling them how the bread broke your teeth.
Oh, one day, well, this is things that happen, should I say. I forgot about it.
Every time I see this bread, I will never forget about it.
She mentioned it, but I forget about it.
I'll never forget about it.
I forget so many things if I have to remember all the bad things. I have a selective memory. I only remember the bad things about her, not about me.
Hello, my Sarah. Come up, please, Mama. Please, Mama. Oh, hi, Fibs. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon and good night. Yes, eggs. 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 Say morning, Fibs. Say morning, Fibs. You want to sit? Say morning, Fibs. Hi, you guys. How are you guys doing? I am up and I just finished getting my workout done, and I'm sure you guys want to see what I did for workout this morning. So head over to my workout channel at Body After Baby or swipe up, and the link is down below on this page, or it's also in the description box. Just go and click it. So I got my workout in this morning. I did not wake up at 6. I woke up at 7 because Tyler is on holiday and baby's home today, working from home. So I said, okay, let me snatch a little extra sleep. So I slept longer, and it cost me a short workout because then babe came to me 30 minutes into my workout and said, Sarah is crying, she's awake. I'm like, no. So Sarah woke up and I had to cut my workout short, but that's okay. I still got my workout in, so that's all that matters. Right now I'm about to make some breakfast for babe and I. So I'm going to make avocado toast for both of us, but I'm using this bread and I'm using the other bread for babe, the other brown bread for babe, because let me tell you something about this bread. I'm using this bread for babe. Let me tell you something about my bread. My bread is tough naturally, and when it goes in the toaster it's extra crispy. One day I gave it to babe and it literally broke his teeth, as in it's a fake teeth, but it slipped it out. He had to go to the dentist and get it fixed. So babe is not a fan of my bread, so I have to give him the soft bread. And somebody else is here. Go for your step. Say morning to the face. So baby is getting the soft brown bread and I'm having my bread. Say good morning.
Wagwan face.
What are you up to this morning?
I'm up to watching TV.
He's up to watching TV. And as you guys can see, everybody's in long sleeve because it's chilly outside.
Mama,
So it's cozy in here.
are you hungry?
I am very hungry right now.
So I'm going to give you the menu, okay?
Okay, give me the menu.
Do you want fish?
No, it's breakfast, so you better have a breakfast menu. Anyway, you guys, I'm gonna go make babe and I breakfast. But this little girl, anytime I'm coming in the kitchen, she wants to come and sit on the kitchen counter. But I have to cut out that habit. Mama gonna make breakfast, so you gotta go. Okay? See you later. Wait. Mama have to make breakfast for Papa and Mama. It goes in the pot.
Mama?
Yes,
Since
Ty.
I don't have no breakfast menu,
Uh-huh.
I'm going to make one.
Okay.
Which one? Mama, can you give me a pen of the
Sarah, no.
Can you give me
Ty, use what you have in your room.
Mama.
You see, because she sits up there during the supermarket haul, she thinks it's a nice little seat for her to go and sit up there every time I'm in this kitchen. She's too funny. Sarah, give me a break. Can you give me a break, please? Go, baby on TV. Go. Go watch Surprise on TV. Surprise on TV. Look. Surprise. Go watch Surprise on TV. Turn it down. See, that's the only way for me to get her off of me, to turn on the TV here. You hear how happy she is in front of that TV? Anyway, you guys, hopefully you guys are having a good day and is staying warm wherever you are, because I know that it starts to get cold in a lot of places. Well, it's November, so everywhere except the Caribbean, the tropics is all jacket up and scarf up right now.
Mama.
Yes, sir.
I think if we was at Louvre in this moment, it will be extra cold.
Oh, yes, it would be very cold. Never is where Tyler was born.
Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. This is a new day. This is walk day, and I'm walking from home today. With this wonderful family, so hopefully they're gonna stay quiet so I can walk. I'm joking. They're always nice. Yeah, it's yup. So I will help you.
I was telling them how the bread broke your teeth.
Oh, one day, well, this is things that happen, should I say. I forgot about it.
Every time I see this bread, I will never forget about
She
it.
mentioned it, but I forget about it.
I'll never forget about it.
I forget so many things. If I have to remember all the bad things, I have a selective memory. I only remember the bad things about her, not about me. That's my selective memory. No?
Do you, boo? You only remember the bad things about me. Alright, I see you. I see you, husband. Anyway, you guys, avocado toast is well on its way. It feels so good to be in long sleeve pajamas. It's my absolute favorite time of year. Christmas time is everything. Love it. Love all the vibe around this time of year. Love all the Christmas carols, all the lights, all the joy, all the happiness. I wouldn't give up Christmas time for no other time of year. And on the TV, Tyler. Say, please, Mama. Look, go watch TV. See, Tyler fix it for you.
Monster Egg.
Jesus Christ. Yo, no rest for the wicked. I felt so tired and decided that I'm going to lay down, and Sarah was done for a nap and she decided to wake up because she had a stuffy nose. And this is what's been happening. She and Tyler screaming and running. Oh my god.
Monster. Oh!
When you have two kids and both of them full of energy, that's what happened. Well, look at them.
Mama?
What you have, my phone? Who are you going to call? Call Papa. Talk to Papa on the phone.
Hello? Sarah, call Ty on the phone. Sarah, call Ty on the phone. Sarah, call Ty on the phone. Sarah, on the phone, call Ty.
Talk to Tai on the phone.
Hello, Sarah. Here, phone. Talk to Ty. Hello, Sarah. How are you? Hello. I'm fine. How are you? Okay, so I did excellent today. I will tell you all the things I did, okay? So first I got to the boulangerie and I wanted to buy toothbrush, but there was no brush at all. Board of plan and a map.
She hung up on you. You're talking too much. She hung up on you. Oh my god.
Boop.
She hung up on you a long time. You hang up on him, Sarah, and talk too much.
Yes.
Pick up the phone, Sarah. It's ringing. Say hello, Tai. Pick up the phone. Tai calling.
Hello.
Say
Hello. 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 How are you, Sarah? Sarah, what do you want to see? Okay. I'm going to work right now. Bye-bye. Beep.
Camera phone come give me, and Sarah is a hot mess.
Sarah, let's do Monster P. Phone?
No, it's not a toy.
Sarah?
One thing for sure, Sarah loves when Tyler is home, because when Tyler is home, Sarah can get to play and run up and down and big energy. But it's the last week of vacation, so she better enjoy it. You hear him? Oh my god, somebody save him. Oh my days. Sarah! She's going to get hurt, you know. Yeah. She's just jumping and diving with no care. She's so fearless. You guys, I'm in the kitchen making dinner. And I don't even know if you guys can hear me. What do you want?
Candy.
She wants candy and I tell her no more candies. She's not happy. So she's onto me like a glue, a magnet. Every foot I put her down, she's on my foot. So I can't even walk properly because she's right here begging for candy. Anyway, I'm making dinner. Have oxtail over here going. That's gonna be mainly for babe and I because it won't be ready in time for the kids. So the kids gonna have some macaroni and cheese and ham for their dinner. So that's what's up right now. I'll probably change my mind and give them macaroni and cheese and chicken. But anyway, you guys, dinner is well on its way, and I also did some broccoli. When I get Sarah out of my hand, I can show you guys everything that I did, but you get the idea, right? Busy mom life! You see the scene, you look up there, look up there. Say hello, I'm been sticking to mama. Look, you see? Up there, look up there, look up, up. And she's watching TV at the same time, you know. You're going to watch Bluey? You're going to sit beside Tai. Tai around here. You're going to sit beside Tai. Say hello. Say hello. Say hello. Hello. A clutter here, and of course it's not keeping. Say hello. Hello. Say hello, friends. Hi, well, you guys got it this time. You gonna let me finish do what I gotta do. You gotta let me finish do. I'm gonna drop you. I'm gonna drop you. Alright, you guys, so I ended up giving the kids chicken and broccoli and macaroni and cheese. Alright, you guys, there goes dinner. Oxtail on a Tuesday. Oxtail, broccoli, and a little rice.